Hello everyone and welcome to the SCANGRIP booth at SEMA 2018. We are happy to be here once again to show our latest products to our US market and our friends and partners here. This year we are bringing the latest generation of our color match and detailing series. It has been expanded with new models so that we now can cater for any need within automotive paint or detailing of vehicles. Also, we are very proud to bring our latest products in a new range within UV curing. Completely new products developed together with a leading paint manufacturer, which enable our users to cure paints and fillers within 1 minute. Something we are especially proud of is that we were actually runner-up in the SEMA Best New Product Award this morning, and we look forward to showing it to all our customers here. Products will soon be available, and we will look forward to displaying and seeing them in the market. Thank you.